In September 2021, the collision between the Milky Way and Andromeda galaxies, also known as the Milkomeda collision, remains a well-established event predicted to occur in the future. This collision is expected to take place in about 4 billion years. The event is anticipated to be a slow dance of cosmic proportions, redefining the night sky. Despite the imminent collision, Earth is not likely to be directly affected. Instead, it will witness an awe-inspiring celestial spectacle. The Milky Way and Andromeda, two spiral galaxies, will gradually merge. This will result in a new, possibly elliptical, galaxy formation. The space between stars is so vast that it's unlikely any stars will collide. Instead, they'll be shuffled into new orbits. In conclusion, the Milkomeda collision is a testament to the ever-changing nature of the universe.